Hello, today we're going to do a quick video on how to multiply polynomials using the box method. The box method is my preferred method to teach because it will help you when you start factoring. So let's get right onto it and right into it with this first problem. This is two binomials, a binomial times a binomial. First things first, understand that these are next to each other. Right, they're right next to you. That means there's multiplying. You're multiplying this binomial times this binomial. This is not the same as 2x minus 4 plus x plus 8. Right, there is a plus between these. So this one, all you're doing is adding. You're just combining like terms. 2x plus x would be 3x. Negative 4 plus 8 would be positive 4. This would be your final answer. This is not what we're doing. We're not doing that. We're doing multiplication. They're right next to each other. And when two things are next to each other, that means multiplication. So we are multiplying this. Now, the box method, as you're going to draw a box, like so, you're going to make it, in this case, since it's a binomial times a binomial, it's going to look like this. You're going to put one of the binomials on the top, 2x minus 4. Make sure you keep the negative or the positive sign. In this case, negative, when there's nothing, it's positive. And then you're going to put the other binomial on this side. So we have 2x minus 4 and then x plus 8. Doesn't matter. You could have put these on either. This could have gone on the side and this one could have. Doesn't matter. So now once you have it in the box, you're going to multiply. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. 8 times 2x is 16x. And 8 times negative 4 is negative 32. The best part about the box method, and the reason why I'd like to use this, because when you are done, you're always combining this way, diagonally this way. These should be like terms. So if you do the box method and this on this diagonal, they're not like terms, then you did something wrong. You missed an exponent rule somewhere. But these will always be like terms. So now we combine. There's nothing to combine with 2x squared. Negative 4x and positive 16x. We're going to add those and we're going to get 12x. And then negative 32, nothing to combine with negative 32. So this would be our final answer. All right, let's go to the next one. So again, same thing. There's a binomial times a binomial. So we're going to draw our box. Two terms times two terms. So we're going to have this line here and this line here. I have 2x minus 6 on the top and 5x plus 3 on the side. So multiply this way. 5x times 2x is 10x squared. This is an exponent rule. Hopefully you should know this by now, or this is going to make this impossible, but x times x is x squared, and 5 times 2 is 10. 5x times negative 6 is negative 30x. 3 times 2 is 6x, and 3 times negative 6 is negative 18. And then again, this diagonal, these should be like terms. They are. If they're not, you did something wrong. So on this diagonal. So we're going to combine everything. So there's nothing to combine with 10x squared. Negative 30x and plus 6x is negative 24x. And then this is just by itself. And that's our final answer. So I'm only going to do one more of these. This is going to be a quick video. I'm going to do binomial times a trinomial. So we're going to do our box again. But instead of our normal box, we have another term. So we're going to have 2 terms times 3 terms. So our box needs to look like this. Our 2 terms will go here, 5x minus 2, and then our three terms will go along the top. X squared minus 3x, and then 4. Alright, these are positive. I don't need to put plus. I just need to make sure I'm aware of the negatives. And then I multiply across. You know, here and then here. So 5x times x squared is 5x cubed. 5x times negative 3x is negative 15x squared. And then 5x times 4 is 20x. Now multiply here. Negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times negative 3x is positive 6x. Again, I didn't need to put that positive there, and I will erase it. Negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. So just like before, on this angle, on this diagonal, these should be like terms. This should be like terms with this, and it is. This should be like terms with this, and it is. So that's how you know you did it right. This is why the box method is easier than any other method, because you can check. So I'm going to combine my like terms, so there's nothing to combine with this one. 5x cubed. These, negative 2x squared plus negative 15x squared is negative 17x squared. 6x plus 20x is 26x. And then there's nothing to combine with negative 8. The only thing I'll point out, I should have pointed out earlier, but negative 2 times negative 3. Negative times a negative is positive. These are simple math rules, just like the exponent rules. But then combining like terms. Box method is the easiest way. This is all I'm going to do. It's a really short review. Then that'll be it.